AI, the upsides and downsides. These days, we keep hearing more and more about AI or artificial intelligence. But what exactly is it? And what are the good and bad things about this new technology? In simple terms, AI refers to computer systems that can sense their environment, process data, and then make decisions or take actions based on that data. Instead of just following direct commands line by line like normal software, AI can observe, learn, reason, plan, and operate with more flexibility and intelligence. AI is being used in many different fields like healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and even creative arts. The most cutting-edge AI relies on machine learning. This means the AI program isn't just following predefined rules, but is able to study data, identify patterns, and use those insights to keep improving itself. The more data it analyzes, the smarter it gets. As amazing as AI seems, there are both positive and negative aspects to consider. That's what we'll explore here, the key upsides of AI as well as the downsides and risks that have many people worried. The potential upsides of AI. Boosting efficiency and productivity. One of AI's biggest advantages is how it can optimize operations and workflows across many industries, saving time, money, and manpower. AI algorithms can quickly analyze massive data sets to uncover insights that allow smarter decisions, forecasting, and automation of routine tasks. For example, AI is helping manufacturers optimize production schedules and inventory management. It's aiding shipping companies in routing and logistics planning. AI also maximizes energy efficiency for utilities and households. In the workplace, AI can streamline processes like scheduling, data entry, and bookkeeping. The time and cost savings allow organizations to increase productivity and profitability, enhancing research and problem solving. Whether it's scientific R&D, business analytics, or solving complex engineering challenges, AI's computational muscle and pattern recognition can be an invaluable tool. AI systems can rapidly test hypotheses, spot correlations in datasets that are invisible to humans, and even discover entirely new solutions that people may never have considered. AI is accelerating research into curing diseases by rapidly screening millions of drug compounds and treatment scenarios. It's allowing financial institutions to better detect fraud patterns and mitigate risk. AI is even helping design new computer chips, recreate ancient languages, and unravel long-standing mysteries across disciplines. Advancing technology and innovation. As AI capabilities grow more sophisticated through machine learning, this unleashes powerful possibilities for technological and industrial innovation. AI is the driving force behind recent advances in fields like robotics, medical imaging, renewable energy, cybersecurity, autonomous vehicles, and much more. For example, AI is enabling teams to develop self-driving cars that can safely navigate any environment. AI controls the robotic surgical systems helping doctors perform advanced, minimally invasive procedures. The next breakthroughs in renewable energy, space exploration, and smart cities will all rely on harnessing AI and machine learning. Tackling major global challenges. Many experts believe AI will be critical to addressing some of humanity's most pressing challenges related to climate change, food and water insecurity, disease, education access, and more. AI-powered modeling can help predict climate patterns, natural disasters, and crop management strategies. It can optimize supply chains and logistics to reduce waste and emissions. AI algorithms are already being deployed to help forecast and respond to famines and disease outbreaks in developing nations. Machine learning could redesign education, tailoring customized learning for every student. From managing renewable energy grids to protecting biodiversity, AI has amazing potential for developing smarter sustainability solutions. Improving quality of life. On an individual level, AI stands to improve our quality of life through personalization and assistive technologies. Smart home systems can automate thermostat settings, lighting, and appliances to each person's preferences. AI companions could give elderly and disabled people more independence through automated reminders, home monitoring, and virtual assistants. AI tutoring systems provide customized learning experiences for students. AI can filter out online harassment, misinformation, and offensive content to make the internet safer and less toxic. We're seeing early examples of how AI image generators and creativity tools can enhance media, marketing, and artistic expression. The potential downsides of AI. Posing privacy and security risks. While very powerful, AI systems are only as effective as the data they are trained on. If that data incorporates human biases, errors, or flaws, then the AI will perpetuate those biases at machine scale and speed. User privacy is also a major concern, as AI companies need to collect and store mountains of personal data to train their machine learning models. There are serious risks of AI being used to illegally surveil people, spread disinformation with deepfakes, or enable authoritarian social control. Securing AI systems against cyber attacks and data breaches must be a top priority. Overall, the privacy and security vulnerabilities of AI require robust governance and ethics frameworks. Displacing human jobs. A lot of people worry that as AI systems grow more capable, they will start automating away a huge number of human jobs across many sectors, not just manual labor but even some office jobs, customer service roles, and more. AI doesn't need breaks, benefits, or pay. The potential for AI to cause massive workforce disruption and elimination of roles some people have spent years training for is a valid concern. If not managed properly, AI automation could drive up income inequality and leave many people economically displaced without sustainable work. Environmental impact of training. While AI can help develop green technologies, the training process behind modern machine learning models is extremely energy-intensive and generates a huge carbon footprint. The massive computational cycles and data processing required results in CO2 emissions that could become a bigger climate problem as AI grows. Given how inefficient modern AI training processes are, with models often starting from scratch instead of building upon previous work, there are rising concerns about whether AI will ultimately be a net positive or negative for addressing climate change. AI ethics and control issues. Even with all the potential benefits, many experts warn about the risks of future superintelligent AI systems that become so advanced they could defy human control and oversight. What if an AI develops its own goals and values that are misaligned with human ethics? Recursive self-improvement of superintelligent AI could lead to an intelligence explosion beyond our understanding. While hypothetical, the existential threat of superintelligence is taken seriously enough that luminaries like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have raised alarms about safeguarding AI development. Complex issues of maintaining meaningful human control, AI rights, and embodying human ethics remain to be resolved. Perpetuating bias and inequality. AI technologies like facial recognition and predictive policing are already reflecting concerning racial, gender, and socioeconomic biases since they are trained on data capturing human prejudices. An AI recruitment system prioritizing Ivy League schools or a healthcare diagnostic AI favoring certain demographics could dangerously amplify systemic discrimination. Many fear AI's rapid advancement will disproportionately benefit only certain privileged groups in the short term, further exacerbating societal divides and inequities that already exist. There are also concerns about an AI arms race concentrating this technology in the hands of a few powerful nations and companies. Regulating AI's rise. Whether the upsides outweigh the downsides of AI will ultimately depend on how responsibly this technology is developed and implemented. With AI poised to transform so many aspects of our daily life, many are calling for new laws, governing bodies, and clearer ethical frameworks to prevent AI's misuse. Regulations on data rights and privacy rules, anti-corruption guidelines, accountability measures, safety and security standards would help inspire public trust as AI tools increase in sophistication. Multi-stakeholder collaboration between policymakers, developers, domain experts, and public advocates will be critical to ensuring AI remains centered on benefiting humanity and society. As transformative as the internet and mobile revolution has been over recent decades, many analysts predict the rise of AI will ultimately have an even more dramatic and profound impact on the human experience. Striking the right balance between encouraging AI innovation while proactively managing risks and potential consequences will be an existential challenge for the world. AI is both incredibly powerful and filled with potential peril at the same time. By maintaining clear-eyed awareness of both AI's upsides and downsides, we give ourselves the best chance to navigate this unfolding technological renaissance in ways that foster immense societal benefits while preventing its potential harms.
Hey everyone! Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it or found it helpful. Creating content like this takes a lot of time and effort, and your support means the world to me. If you'd like to help keep the channel going, please consider donating a small amount. Every little bit helps and goes directly towards creating more awesome videos for you. You find the donation link in the text below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with your friends. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.